Following Thursday's friendly at Wembley, Wales manager Craig Bellamy spoke about the challenges his side faced against England. He highlighted the vast difference in squad depth and value, describing it as a matchup that would not normally be allowed in boxing terms. England have a ridiculous squad, Bellamy said, referencing the £1.4 billion valuation compared to Wales's £170 million. If you were a boxing promoter, you just wouldn't put us together. It wouldn't be allowed. Despite the disparity, Bellamy was encouraged by the experience and opportunity to test his players against top-level opposition. He praised the commitment and effort of his squad, emphasising the importance of learning from matches against elite teams.
It's a very difficult place to come without starting the way we did. Made it very difficult for ourselves against, as we know, a very good opposition. With their intensity, physicality, they were able to push through that as well. And also, it was a tough period, I have to be honest. It was a tough period in the game. Not a tough period in life, Geraint, so be careful where you say, yeah, no, it was all good. But in that period it was. We had to suffer a lot of pain. It was difficult.
Looking ahead, Bellamy stressed that this fixture provided valuable preparation ahead of Monday's World Cup qualifier against Belgium. The friendly allowed him to assess player readiness, make tactical adjustments and build confidence for the challenges ahead. While the result against England may not define Wales's trajectory, the experience is already contributing to their growth and understanding of competing at the highest level.